Our mission at Solar Battery Group is to make solar batteries simple and affordable for all Australian families. As the country's largest installer, we've helped over 30,000 customers take charge of their solar power since 2016. With energy prices soaring year on year and interest rates rising regularly, everyone is looking for ways to offset the ever-increasing cost of living. The feed-in tariff, once as high as 60 cents, has since plummeted to as low as 6 cents, so it's time to fight back against greedy power companies. With over 30 years of industry experience, you can be assured we, a 100% Australian-owned company, will tailor the perfect solar battery solution for your home, saving you power and money. And when it comes to the price, our guarantee to you, the customer, is unbeatable value. We only stock the highest quality products with our local and licensed technicians installing industry-leading brands including Tesla, Energizer and Eveready. These units possess a suite of features that optimise your solar energy use, which includes exclusive intelligent control software that maximises your return on investment, a platinum warranty plan that will give you instant peace of mind, and during the installation process, we'll conduct a service and full system check of your existing solar system. So save your power and money with us, Australia's most trusted experts in solar batteries.